In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks hybrid pressure washer. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Finish removing the packing material. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the wheels. Insert the axle through the hole in the center of the wheel. Slide the axle into the wheel mounting hole. Place the washer on the axle and secure it with the cotter pin. Repeat on the opposite side and return it to the upright position. Installing the upper panel. Align the screw sleeves of the upper panel with the screw holes on the handle frame. Insert the supplied coarse threaded screws through each of the holes on the back of the handle. Tighten each screw using a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the spray gun holder. Align the screw sleeves of the spray gun holder with the screw hole on the left side of the handle. Insert a screw through the hole on the gun holder and tighten it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the power cord storage arm. Align the cord arm basement with the threaded insert on the right side of the handle. Place the power cord storage arm onto the base facing upward. With the washer on the screw, thread the screw through the cord arm assembly and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the upper handle. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle arms. Push and hold the lock buttons on the back of the handle and slide the upper handle into the lower handle until the lock buttons click into place. Hang the cord on the power cord storage arm. Installing the hose hook. Insert the ends of the hose hook into the back of the upper panel assembly. Push the bottom of the hose hook into the clips below. Cut the ties on the hose and hang it on the hook. Installing the wand. Push the end of the wand onto the opening at the end of the spray gun and rotate the wand clockwise to secure the tabs in position. Place the gun into the gun holder. Unpack the turbo nozzle and install it in the remaining rubber grommet on the upper panel. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.